Hello everybody. I have an assortment of gas cans, as you can see here, and the newest one is right there in the middle. It happens to be a no spill can. All the other cans are older. The no spill can I purchased because the material seems to be extra thick, much thicker than, let's say, this Blitz can or this Blitz can or even this other brand, Eagle. But this is the can that has not held up. It's got hairline cracks right here and here. Could not figure out where the gas fumes were coming in my garage, and turns out to be this can. So I reached out to the manufacturer and asked for some consideration or a replacement, and the response was, the can's more than 3 years old, it's out of warranty. So to all my 10,000 plus subscribers out there, do not buy a no spill gas can. In my experience, they don't hold up. These cheaper cans flex and have lasted longer. This much heavier plastic can just cracks. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.